Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so we had a two-part video, now will be third part. We've disassembled all, oh gosh, I've put everything to clean, and I need to go and put the last part. I've omitted. The last one is in the clean. I make it soak first, and then I made to, after this video I meant to brush it, but I'll pause and I'll go in a minute. So what we've got right now is we need to clean these elements wherever we see like a food residue or some dirt residue. This board actually it's clean, but this need a replacement of these potentiometers. Yes, so at least the one. So when you look at it, this connector is at the bottom. Okay, so this here. This connector, when you look at these two gamepads, joysticks, yes, then this is the bottom because you've got the connector where you connect your accessory here to the gamepad. If you can't visualize it, I will put that to wash and I'll get one, you know, so that you will see on a not open one. Okay, so here we got the other one. Now you can see that this is here, yes, so it's the same what you have here pretty much, just one is inside out, you can say. Yeah, well, it will be, that's it. So now this one we won't touch, and we can connect it with the Xbox One X, that's not a problem. But the other one will be when I'll come back, or maybe when I finish this I will go and brush the other one and we can deal with that. But for now we only worried about this, and as I said, you know, we've got this one as a bottom, so when I look at it like that I need to replace the left one. So those potentiometers 1 and 2, these ones, yes, these ones have to go, and then we will have to put everything back together and make a test, and the test should be around 5% error. It shouldn't be like over 10%, yes. And this one start to be, the right one start to be as well bad. It's about 10% error, just below 10%. But customer didn't specify anything in particular, so I won't be touching this one. Plus we will go through all the hassle of cleaning, yes. So if customer will find that this one needs soldering, we can solder that one as well. That's not a problem, yes. So I'm thinking now what to do. Now this one requires cleaning of with alcohol. You see, that's nasty as well here. So I can leave it for now, or I'll do it first. I'll pause, I'll just brush it. No value for you, you know, to watch how I'm brushing it with the alcohol. And we can start desoldering those potentiometers. Okay, so let's switch to the DSLR now. That's our DSLR. Now we can see that this is clean. On the other side wasn't bad, so I didn't touch it, to be true. So we can put it aside, we don't need it at the moment. We need this one. Now what we need here is, as we see, that's the bottom. So from the bottom, the left one is this, because that's my left one, yes? You see it the other way around. I would have to mount the camera like, you know, like these 2 points are seen, no, not seen here. So I would have to turn the camera like that, yes, and then you would see it like this, yes. And now you've got your bottom here, and that's your left, yes. So this is your left potentiometer to be, which needs replacement. But anyways, you know, I'll do it with my way. Now I don't need a microscope for that. Yes, I can just touch this one and detach this one. Do you see it? I don't like. Okay, so to go off this. Okay, that will do, because now the rectangular stuff is not here. So what I want to say is, let's detach this one as well. Okay, so once it's off and you see that this component here, this pin is not touching it, you know you will be able to get it out, yes? So now you can preheat this area, those 3 pins, and got 2-second battery charged. That's nice, we get 2 batteries for DSLR. Now we can heat the iron, yes, heat it up. Now we can try to like grab them all 3, yes, heat them all 3, and then try to pull them. Or we can try to like pressing to one direction towards this, yes, towards the top, while heating it up, and then one after each pin will be starting to go off as well. But for now, let's heat it up. Sometimes it's so hot that it can just go inside. Don't see it as super hot yet. I see it hot but not super hot. Okay. See, it's moving. Why I was blowing, you know why I was blowing? To not get these holes covered. Because if I would cover these holes, then automatically, now what I'm doing is just cleaning this off, this tip off, yes, that's it. Okay, so what we can do right now is we can switch it off. Here, switch the charger as well, and I see that the pin is not ideal. I don't know if you can see, this is a bit darker. This second pin is a bit darker, pad I mean. But okay, it just outer layer, so flux will catch it. Whereas now we need to put new potentiometer here, yes? Because we've got no potentiometer here. I should prepare it to be true. Not just... And it's okay, we know this one is faulty, so let's put it aside. Something new here. Okay. What? These were new potentiometers, as far as I'm aware. I don't wanna open another joystick if I can get just a potentiometer. Can we like move them here, because that seems to be a new potentiometer, and if we will open it we will know, because we can look at the surface. That's the surface. To be true, I need to take magnifying glass to verify, because the old one is really scratched, so I'll know it. Yes, this is looking brand new. I don't see any problem with that. Sorry guys for the light, but I need to see it. Yes, I'm super happy. I don't see any scratches on it or anything, so that's a new potentiometer which we can assemble back together. Oh, now it is. I can switch off the light because it's too bright. Now this side, okay, this side. Got a see-through hole. Cool, now we need to adjust it just a bit because it's not straight looking. Almost. Let's see now. Again, I don't see, so I need to put my light. Okay, this looks a bit different. It's not ideal, guys. So the difference what I see here, sorry for the huge light, is that although it's this, no, it's the same, but it was like I need to stick to the light. Hold on a wee second. I'll switch it off. Oh yeah, this is scratched at the top. Okay, so I was right, everything's okay. So now what we need to do is we need to just insert it. Not this one, but this one. And here is a clip which would have to clip on, and here is another one which did. Now when you do like this, okay, so here on each of the side of this, yes, I'll point you with this one, this side and this side, yes, they got clips here on the side, so these clips have to clip in. Trying to get you focus well. Oh, it's sort of okay. So yeah, so these clips, you see this clip here? That's this clip I'm talking about. I know it's not vivid because I moved it. But okay, so this fit, and now when you move this one, you should see inside, in this hole here, you should see that it's moving properly. And I see that it's moving. I don't need to use the light even to see it. So now we can solder it, yes, but before soldering it, why not fix the other side? You know, why not replace the other side? Because that wouldn't make sense. Okay, so let's heat up this thingy. Let's replace it. The joystick is good, so it's no point to do anything with the joystick. But then again, if we can heat up those three simultaneously, okay, it's better. I'm really trying to heat up, and I think I'm heating up the wrong, yes, I was heating up the charger to the Canon because I'm saying why it's not getting hot. You know, like no way it's getting hot because it doesn't. It just, Now I see it's a wee dot, you not see it here, but through this, when I look, there is a wee red dot. And you know, it didn't get hotter as well, so I was curious, why? Why? Okay, now it's moving. You know, it's moving. Now we got these three thingies here, which I didn't blow this time, so you can expect some issues. But the other method, if not blowing, is this method. Just put a bit of the should put a bit of a flux to be true. You see, and these are clean as well. Clean hole. 1, 2, and 3. So you see, so that's another way, yes? I won't be switching it off because we know now that this is the second faulty and this is a new one. So let's fit this new one. Let's try to fit this new one. Yeah, it fit. Again, you need this one aligned here with this one, okay? So when you insert it, now you need to clip it on both sides. Clip. Simultaneously. Now when you move it, you should see that part is moving as well, and it's moving, so it's fine, yes? No issues. Now what we need to do is we shouldn't solder just like that. We should add a bit of a flux, and then when you add a bit of a flux, then you can solder, because it won't just hold perfectly otherwise. So, trying to hold. That's why I don't record everything what I'm doing, because if I can do something in front of the customer, or I need to do something quicker, and showing everything, you know, all the details. Making sure you see every detail. It's pain, it's literally pain. So it's not something I'm enjoying to do. But at least customers see what we're doing with their stuff, and at least somebody can learn videos. You see? I see.